amigos! Today, for our third video of PR Sisters on the Go, we're going to be making cursi maize español, that is cheesy Spanish corn. Its zesty, creamy and aromatic flavor just urges you to eat it. It is just a burst of flavors and has a vibrant look. Now, let me show you the things you will need to make. Boiled corn, cheese, chili flakes and Italian seasoning. Now, my sister and I are going to show you the method. First step, add some corn. Second step, add some cheese. Now you have to mix it well. Now I've mixed it, guys.
These are chili flakes. Italian seasoning.
Now again mix. Now guys, as you can see, the cheese, the corn and the seasoning are perfectly infused together. Now all there is left to do is serve.
Now let's serve.
If you have a sibling at home, serve it to them with a great smile on your face. It will also be yummy for their tummy with a cup of milk. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.
Bye guys.
We are the PR Sisters on the Go.